And if forever's not enough for me to love you, I'd spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
My 24 SG US tour took me to at least 2 states. In Arizona, we had a show in Phoenix, and in California, we had performances in San Francisco and San Diego. The last engagement was in LA, na ilang beses ko nang napuntahan pero excited pa ring balik-balikan. And here's a look at our promotional activities in the area.
So, nag-lunch kami ni Sir John Santos, kami nila Mami, nila Miss Jai, nila Ate Evelyn, sa Azon's Restaurant. Mabait na mabait si Tita Azon. Siyempre, napakasarap na pagkakaluto ng pagkaing Pinoy.
We're big fans. She's just a great entertainer, great singer. Just wish her a lot of success up here. Best.
It's amazing. I don't have a words.
She has a really great voice, I think. I think she has a top voice. Just hoping she can get a break in the MLS. One hit song. That's all it takes.
Siya is one of my favorite singers back in the Philippines. She's very nice, very accommodating, and very gentle. It was a great experience. It was awesome. Sarah, it was so nice and so grateful that I meet you in person. Stay sweet and stay simple and humble as you are.
Na-distract mo sa hotel mo.
Tingin na muna, modo ko muna tayo.
Afternoon, dahil busog pa kami, nagpunta kami sa Cafe Amore.
Cafe Amore, this is American Italian. We serve pasta, panini, salads, more on Italian food. Of course, I'm proud to have Sarah here in our restaurant. It's my pleasure. It's our pleasure, actually.
Binalita nga sa akin ng kapatid ko na darating daw dito si Sarah. Dito nga sa Cafe Amore gagawin. Kaya lumakas pa ng gusto. Actually, galing ang hospital nung last week lang. Last week ago, kasi na-stroke ako. Pero nung pa po siya pumupunta dito, pinapanood ko po lagi. Pumupunta rin po sa bahay ni Tito Ann.
Napakabait na bata at saka very kind and humble, down to earth. At masunurin sa magulang. Parang, I mean, she's the dream of all mothers and all parents. I really admire you, and I want you to know that we're gonna support you all the way. Whatever you do, whatever you wanna do in your life, we will always support you, and we love you.
I'm 44 years old, pop star. I'm really old now, but I like her songs. I have all her CDs. I didn't really talk to her. I try to keep a distance. It's just formality. We just keep it formal.
I'll take your picture. Okay, ready? Binigyan kami ng pagkakataon ng kapatid ko makita muli siya. Sunurin sa kabula. Hindi ka tulad ng kubang boyfriend, hindi boyfriend mo.
So,
So yun guys, first promo stop namin. Natin sa Azon's Restaurant. May kami ng Filipino food na napakasarap. Welcoming, warm ng mga owners. Itong last stop namin dito sa Cafe Amore, Italian food naman. Salad kami kanina at saka mga pasta. So thank you sa lahat ng sponsors ng concert na ito. And of course, to our producer.
I feel blessed to have a concert team na talagang masipag at masaya. Kaya kahit medyo hectic ang schedule, masaya talaga ang bawat biyahe namin. Lalo na pag may chance magkaroon kami ng bonding at me time before the main event.
morning. Meron kaming magkakataong makapag-anyaya ng ating mga kababayan through Channel 17, 18. Siguro niya ng kwa.
Hello guys, we're at the station of KSCI TV, LA 18, para sa Filipino show, talk show na mag-guest appearance ako, hosted by Miss Janelle So. Yun, just to promote the show, dito sa LA, Orphan Theater. Yun. So, ang new show is Kababayan Today. Promote lang yung mga shows. Tara!
With many accomplishments, she still remains very humble and very gracious. Miss Sara Geronimo. Hello, welcome to Kababayan Today. Thank you, Miss Janelle. Thank you for having me here. Yan.
I interviewed her on my program. My program is called Kababayan Today, which is the first and only locally produced daily talk show for Filipinos in the US.
Anong mas gusto mong makilala bilang artista, mga ngawit, mag-concert, dancer? Siguro mga ngawit. Singer kasi talaga. Music has always been my first love.
Nagkaroon na kami ng interview before at komportable naman ako kay Miss Janelle. So, yun, nagkwentuhan lang ng konti at yun, nag-promote lang ng show.
I had ideas on what I was gonna ask her, and like I said, she's always very gracious, she's always very humble, and I'm very proud of her because it always comes out in the interview. She's so genuine, and I can see why there's lots of blessings coming through. I've only seen her once in a concert, but that's enough for me to be converted to a fan because she's really amazing. Not only does she hit the high notes, and we all know that she's a great singer, but what was a revelation was that she can also dance, and you know, it's just, you know, total performer talaga. Sing and dance, and I've seen some of her movies. Very funny, she's very natural on camera. She's very talented.
Thank you, Miss Janelle.
Jollibee ka pa rin ba?
Yes.
Yun nga, yung ginawa namin.
Ingat
Bye, thank you so much.
May dinaanan lang kaming shop doon. So, yun, bumili lang kami ng shoes. Sabi nila, yan, dyan daw nag-shop yung mga Hollywood stars. Ganyan.
We are in Todd's.
Where?
Here in Dea Drive.
Tods kasi very comfortable sila. So, oo, sila namin yun. Ano? Tata ka dito, Al.
Tapos na, ma.
Si B, anong binili ni B?
Hindi ko ang Rodeo Drive.
Oh.
Senator ka nga, Senator.
Okay.
Isa si Tito Alchu sa mga producer na sobrang nagtitiwala sa akin bilang singer. Pamilya na ang turing namin sa isa't isa. Kaya naman, sobrang saya ko lalo na pagkasama ko sila sa Los Angeles. At higit pa yang pinasaya ng sobrang sarap na dinner na hinanda niya para sa amin. Talagang lalo kami ginanahan para sa show kinabukasan.
Behind me is the Wall of Fame. Nandito po kami sa bahay ni Mr. Alchu, our producer here in LA. Siya po yung naging producer namin. Yung very first concert namin dito sa States at dito sa LA, Night of the Champions. Halos lahat ng concerts namin dito sa LA, producer namin si Mr. Alchu. So, very happy na he's producing our show. Yun, dami mga pictures ng mga stars, ng mga na-handle niya for concerts.
Yes, ang work ko puro Sara. Mula na mag-produce ako, puro Sara pinakamaraming production ko. Hindi ako kumukuha ng iba kundi Sara. I gave her the first break. Yung Night of the Champions, last na 2004. Kaming tatlo lang nag-risk sa kanya na bagong, pero ang epekto naman, sold at lahat ng shows. Masaya kami dahil lahat ng tumatawag, they were so happy that Sarah matures. At saka Sarah have never changed. She is still the same Sarah when she was 16, the first time we produced her. But at masunurin sa kanyang magulang. Ang umiintriga lang naman yan, ibang tao nakapaligid na hindi nakakakilala.
Yung pagka nasa LA kami, lagi kong inaabangan, nilulook forward ko na pumunta kami sa bahay ni Tito Al. Kasi parang naging pamilya na rin namin si Tito Al kasi siya talaga yung naging una sa mga producers namin. Naging Night of the Champions pa lang, natutulog kami sa bahay niya. So, sobrang welcome kami doon anytime. At thank you Tito Al. Saka masarap magluto sila Tito Al, yung kapatid ni Tito Al.
Sila ito palagi sa bahay yan. Wala siyang pakeme. I mean to say, she mingles with the rest of the people. She would just feel like wala ako sa showbiz. Kasi lahat ng binimbita ko, puro ko na kamag-anak eh.
Ay, naimbitahan kasi sponsor din ng Mario Festa, Glendale.
So yeah, it feels good. Like you see someone you admire. And
Big star pa.
Big star pa.
Kasi bakit super bait? Ay, super bait!
Enjoy kami sa kanya, in fairness.
Napakabait.
Very accommodating.
Siya pa nga nag-picture sa amin ni Sarah.
Matagal ko na nga. Salamat po.
I am the person who switches the video screen from the camera to the graphics to video, anything to do with video. I'm all up and running, just waiting for the rehearsal to start. No problems on my end whatsoever. They seem to be happy with me. I love what I do for a living, so every job's a new experience and every place is a new adventure.
Sir Louis, talagang ano yan, the coolest musical director I've ever met, diba? Talagang, saka, grabe talaga yung genius talaga, musical genius. At saka yung buong banda.
Picture pa.
Welcome to the last show, saving the best for last. We're in LA. Don't forget, we are in LA at the Orpheum. Only time really.
Last show, ang masasabi ko lang,
Kasi yung song dapat
4 cities is not enough.
And then naman po, now we're getting ready for the show. Backstage, the front act's playing right now. His name's Sean. Yeah, Sean's singing some Italian song. And it's gonna be Sarah, and I'm gonna come out, and I'm gonna fly back to the Philippines right after the show.
performing for the Filipino community here is always fun. It's always a joy to perform in front of my fellow Kababayans. And Sarah Geronimo, it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm just going to give them a good show and do my best. So this is going to be an exciting adventure in my journey as a singer.
Give the credit to Teacher Jercel Dapatsi and Kuya Angel Dapatsi, and to my two excellent and beautiful, gorgeous dancers, sila Ate Jelay and Ate Be. Talagang napaka-hardworking nila at talagang excellence yung makikita mo.
Good evening, Los Angeles! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, everyone. Let's give it up for the G-Force. The G-Force! Thank you, girls. Please welcome Mateo DJ.
Nag-develop towards the last show yung chemistry nila. Sayang, sana, di ba, yung meron pa.
Mas marami
diba?
pang shows. Baka ibang level of na yan.
Oo, yung maging effect
Comfortable
ng...
na sila talaga sa
Pinakamagaling talaga siya sa last show kasi at saka din yung nag-usap kami kasi at first no parang inanalyze talaga yung meaning ng song, ano man dapat gawin dito, ganyan. So nag-work naman.
To the highest level na ang energy at performances naming lahat bilang last leg na ito ng 24SG US Tour. Kasama ang G-Force dancers, our musical director Sir Louie Ocampo, the band, my guests Mateo and Sir John. I really enjoyed the last leg of our tour. We were overwhelmed by the crowd's warm reception and loud cheers in Los Angeles. Talagang nakakataba ng puso.
Sabi niya po talaga na kahit daw ito na lang daw ang kantahin ko sa concert. Pinagawa sa kanya, bakit kaya Tito Ad? Bakit favorite na favorite mo to?
I don't know, but when it was sung or shown in the TV, from then on, gusto ko na, ringtone niya ng aking cellphone.
Sino ba siya sa puso mo? At ngayong sundan ang tulad ko? Kayong lahat-lahat ng akin at pag-ibig ay ibigay sa'yo.
Sarah's full of talent. But the one particular thing that I have always seen in her is the passion in her performance. It's not always fun, but you see that she enjoys what she's doing, and everything that she does, she puts heart in all her performance.
Sino nga ba siya tinipon mo? Hindi mo Pagkulang pa ako magdadala sa kanang puso ko.
Alam mo, ang pinaka-favorite ko talaga sa pagko-concert tour, yung sunod-sunod na mga shows, sobra yung training, ang gandang training, tapos yung katawan mo rin, kumbaga, obligated kang talaga maging fit, maging, dapat prepared ka, nakapag-exercise ka lagi, para yung endurance mo, saka yung stamina mo. So, yung last show, maganda, naging maganda siya, at yun, okay naman.
It's so much better in person. And she sounds awesome in person. It's just so natural. Like, funny natural. Like, walang arte. Yeah, walang arte.
May mga Vilmanians nga, pero palagay ko outnumbered na mga popsters.
He always comes up with the new things kahit na nagawa na yung concept na yun, pero yung every time he does it, parang bago yung gano'n.
Dala ko rito, isa po sa aking ipinunta rito, ang mga pag-meeting with executives of Starbucks. Yes, kasi dadalhin po ito ang Batangas Coffee na pinagmamalaki po natin. Ano tawag doon? Yes! Official coffee na siya ng White House!
At saka, the way he responds with the audience, ang ganda, yung parang walang that moment of yung parang hesitations, ang galing niya.
It was really good. I only watched the last one where she was singing Forever's Not Enough. It was really good. I was with Mommy Divine when we were watching it, and Mommy said she is always improving.
That's not enough for me to love you so.
She's very good, but there's just always the chance, that opportunity to improve how she's singing.
Thank you, everyone! Please welcome back on stage my very special guest, Mr. John Santos, the angelic G-Force. And Mateo Studios! Sean, thank you for joining us.
I love Popsters! Full force sila doon with the shirt and all the tile silang nangunguna dyan. Kaya naman talagang love na love namin na ng Popsters around the world. Yeah.
I've heard these songs. I just know two Filipino songs which I've heard over and over. One is Dahil Minahal Mo Ako, and the other one is Kasalanan Ko Ba by Tony Gonzaga. Dahil minahal mo ako, lahat ay gagawin para sa'yo. Huhulihin ko ang buwan, pipigilin na ulan. I was very lucky that this is happening here in LA. So I flew down from New Jersey, and just for the show, and tomorrow morning I'm going back.
Thank you, Popsters!
Our US concert tour is over. We just finished our last leg here in LA. Produced by Tito Alchu. Actually, lahat ng mga naging producers namin po sa US. Nagpunta to watch the show, si Tita Arlene from San Francisco, si Miss Kay from Phoenix, Arizona, San Diego, sila Tita Edo from Luna. Thank you to all our producers. Thank you for bringing the show here in 24SG. Balik ko ng Manila. Provincial concert tour naman kami. Philippine concert tour naman. Thank you! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng kababayan po natin na pumunta sa bawat venue, concert venue para pumapanood kami. Kami nila Mateo, ni Sir John Santos. Thank you, G-Force! Thank you! Bye-bye!
Ang warm pa rin ng mga Pinoy kasi talagang overwhelming yung support nila kay Sarah. Masaya, tas parang nakakabitin nga lang. Oo, kasi parang 4 shows lang. Thank you for the short but sweet bonding na meron tayo doon. Alam mo naman na love ka namin and we're always here for you.
Maraming salamat po muli sa bawat isang kababayan natin dyan sa Amerika, magmula po sa San Francisco, Arizona, San Diego, and LA. Alam ko po na palagi ho akong pumupunta dyan at madalas pare-parehong awitin lang yung narinig nyo mula sa akin. Pero sa mga talagang nagbigay ng oras para makita po ako, maraming salamat po. Sa lahat ng promoters, sa lahat ng volunteers, maraming salamat.
Congratulations, Sarah! We love you!
Hinding-hindi ko makakalimutan ang napaka-special na 24SG US Tour. Kung pwede nga lang, ituloy pa namin sa marami pang lugar sa States. Pero syempre, all good things must come to an end. But for sure, hindi ito ang last time ko na mag-perform para sa mga Pinoy doon. And I can't wait for the next time. That's it for now. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.
Happy kami ngayon sa nakikita namin sa'yo na ngayon nagmamature ka na talagang you're now a lady.
Nag-iisa ka lang sa pwesto ngayon. Walang papalit dyan. May mga taong gustong pumalit sa'yo, matatagalan pa. Kasi they do not have charisma.